Someone younger on my live stream today asked me about the difference between Windows and Linux, and what crossed my mind immediately was something that Richard Stallman said a long time ago, but I'm going to expand a little bit on that. You know, when you go to a restaurant, you will pay for your food like maybe 20 euros, maybe 30 euros. It will probably be tasty, and then you will go to the kitchen and they will not allow you to enter. You will ask them for a recipe and they will refuse. I guess we could compare this to proprietary software, if you will. And then again, you will come home and of course you cook your own food and your friends share the recipes with you, and then you cook your food by using the recipes. You know that a program is much like a recipe. Each one lists certain steps that need to be carried out in order to get somewhere, right? To get a result. And once you're done, you have a fine and tasty food. But if you feel like something could be a little bit improved, you certainly can do that. And then you will call your friends over and you all will eat what you have improved with that recipe. And if they like it, they might ask you to share your improved recipe with them. And you, of course, will share it with them. And basically, everyone will be happy. So imagine a world in which you are not allowed to ask for a recipe. Imagine a world in which you're not allowed to change the recipe. Imagine a world in which if you share the recipe with other people, then they will call you a thief or a pirate, and maybe they will put you in prison.